When the circuit is completed, when the circuit is completed as shown in the figure, the current flows in the branch AB. The current flows in the branch AB of the loop. For the benefit of those who have joined late and especially Zaid, welcome to Upbeat Education. हम लोग अभी 4th चैप्टर कर रहे हैं, that is इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, और इसमें हम लोग मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट का लास्ट टॉपिक करने वाले हैं, इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर. बट yesterday we have not completed the working of इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर, वो हम अभी डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. तो आप लिखना स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, बाद में आप अपने नोट्स में बाकी के टॉपिक्स ऐड कर सकते हैं. we'll discuss about this after the class. Okay, so you start writing electric motor. When this is the working, when the circuit is completed as shown in the figure, the current flows in the branch AB of the loop from A to B through the carbon brushes E and F. I hope everybody is with me. Since the direction of the magnetic field is, okay, I'll repeat. When the circuit is completed, as shown in the figure, comma, the current flows in the branch AB of the loop from A to B through the carbon brushes E and F. When the circuit is completed as shown in the figure, the current flows in the branch AB of the loop from A to B through the carbon brushes E and F. Now is it okay? Everybody is with me?
Yes.
Okay. Full stop. Since the direction of the magnetic field is from North Pole to South Pole, according to Fleming's left-hand rule, a force is exerted, exerted on the branch AB and pushes it down. The current in the CD branch,
Ma'am, please repeat because your voice was not audible.
Okay, I will repeat. You have written from here, according to the Fleming's left-hand rule,
A force is exerted on the branch AB
and pushes it down. And pushes it down. Full stop. Next point. The current in the CD branch is in opposite direction. The current in the CD branch is in opposite direction to that in the AB branch. To that in the AB branch. And therefore, a force is exerted on the branch CD in upward direction. In upward direction.
Can you repeat it?
Yes. The current in CD branch is in opposite direction to that in the AB branch, and therefore a force is exerted on the branch CD in upward direction. Full stop. Thus, THUS, thus the loop and axle, AXLE, the loop and axle start rotating in an anti-clockwise direction. Start rotating in an anti-clockwise direction. Full stop. Next point. After half rotation, the two halves of the split ring, X and Y, come in contact with carbon brushes. I'll repeat. After half rotation, the two halves of the split ring X and Y come in contact with carbon brushes F and E respectively. And the current in loop starts flowing in the direction DCBA. Therefore, a force is exerted. On the branch DC in downward direction and on the branch BA. I repeat, therefore a force is exerted on the branch DC in downward direction and on the branch BA in the upward direction and the loop continues to rotate and the loop continues to rotate I'll repeat. Therefore, a force is exerted on the branch DC in downward direction and on the branch BA in the upward direction, comma, and the loop continues to rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. And the loop continues to rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. Thus, the current in the loop is reversed. Thus, the current in the loop is reversed after each half rotation. After each half rotation, and the loop and the axle continue to rotate, and the loop and the axle continue to rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. The anti-clockwise direction. Now we'll go to the electric generator. Quickly, we have to see the diagram of electric generator, which is very much similar to what we had in the electric motor, except for a major difference. What is that? Can somebody tell me?
Instead of split ring, there is a conducting ring.
Okay, there is a complete ring. Okay, not a split ring. Okay. Tell me, I know everything.
In this, there is a galvanometer instead of
Yes,
the
there is a galvanometer instead of a
key or battery. Key and battery.
why?
Don't know.
Okay. If you don't know, just mute your mic. Because this is a generator. This is not going to use electricity.
Work on
So what is the
Yeah.
principle it is going to work on? It is going to
Fleming's right
Good.
hand rule.
Could you mute yourself, this thing mic, and just type it, because I can also see the background music from your house. Yeah, what is the principle which it works on? Electric generator. And what does it convert? And which rule it works on? तीन चीजें बोलनी है आपको. It converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Right, that is why it is called as a generator. It generates electricity. जब light नहीं होती है तभी तो generator use करते हैं ना. So it converts the mechanical energy into a electrical energy, and it works on the principle of electromagnetic induction and also the rule, Fleming's right hand rule. And the galvanometer shows us what are the two things which a galvanometer indicates, which we have learned earlier. It indicates the intensity of the current flowing and also the direction of the current. That's why that galvanometer is placed in that connection with the wire, copper wire. Okay. So please first write the principle. पहले तो आपने ड्रॉ किया है क्या? सबसे पहले आप ड्रॉ ही कर लीजिए डायग्राम. So what will happen is we could go ahead with it. Draw the diagram of the electric generator. Then we will write something about it, define it, and then we'll write the principle, then we'll write the types of generator, and then we will write its construction and working. Okay, this is how we are going to go ahead. So firstly, you have to draw the diagram of the electric generator. Quick. You have the diagram with you? Those who do not have, I'll draw it for you on the board. I think that will be better. No? So we have here one end. I hope it will fit on the board. Yeah, it will. And this is another end of what? The magnet. And what is placed in between? A coil is placed in between. ठीक है, this way. And it will be having the axle, as we saw yesterday also. Sorry. One end will be on the first one and the second one will be on the second one. We have it over here, first one, and we have it over here, the second one. Right? Let us also connect the carbon brushes with the galvanometer. रखें ऐसे. This should be a form of a rectangle. I guess you will be able to draw it better with on your book. And those who are seeing the textbook, it is on page number 60, 4.20. I hope everybody has drawn this diagram by now. Okay. So we go ahead. I'll just give you 1 more minute. So those who have not done, they can quickly see it. Just 1 more minute. And you write the question, explain the working of electric AC generator, comma, principle and construction, comma, construction and working with the help of neat labeled diagram. With the help of I'll repeat the question. Explain the working of electric AC generator, comma, principle, comma, construction and working of electric generator. With the help of a neat labeled diagram. तो सबसे पहले आप लिखो एक फर्स्ट सब टॉपिक इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर एन इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर। उसके बाद फर्स्ट लाइन में लिखो एन इलेक्ट्रिक डिवाइस which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy is called electric generator. I'll repeat, an electric device which converts mechanical energy into electric energy or electrical energy is called electric generator. Second subtopic is, क्या है हमारा next topic? Principle. Principle. अभी इसका what is the principle on which it works? Electric generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. when the coil of electric generator rotates in the magnetic field, the magnetic field induces current. In this coil. Full stop. This induced current then flows. Into the circuit connected to the coil. इसके बाद एक और सब टॉपिक लिखो, टाइप्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर. Number 1, AC generator. And you are writing the definition of AC generator, so put a colon after writing AC generator. Number 1, AC generator, put a colon mark. A generator which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. A generator which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy in the form of alternating current is called AC generator. Second point in this subtopic, that is DC generator. This is the subpoint in the point types of electric generator. The second point within this is DC generator, a generator which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy in the form of direct current is called DC generator. DC generator. Next subtopic, construction of AC generator. Construction of AC generator. The main components of AC generator. The main components of AC generator प्लीज राइट इट डाउन ना, आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में भी नहीं है, तो बार बार आपको फिर से वीडियो ही देखना है फिर, अगर आपने अभी भी नहीं लिखा. So right, the main components of AC generator are as shown in the figure. The main components of AC generator are as shown in the figure. So what figure we have drawn is AC generator. Huh? The main components of AC generator are as shown in the figure. First point, a copper wire coil. A copper wire coil, A, B, C, D. A copper wire coil. A, B, C, D. Second one, strong magnets. Strong magnet, magnet लिखिए. Third subpoint, conducting rings. Conducting rings. R1 and R2. Conducting rings R1 and R2. Fourth point, carbon brushes B1 and B2.